Are you sick and weary of your 9-to-5 job? What prevents you from being your own boss then? We have some good news for you if you're seeking something new to do that also pays well. We will offer you an overview of some of the top paid freelance projects you might want to consider performing in today's video. Because who doesn't appreciate getting paid more while working fewer hours? Keep an eye out, since you might be astonished to learn that some don't even require academic credentials for you to enter. 1. Content creator. The job of a content developer is not only flexible but also lucrative. Too many people are using the many social networking applications available to them after leaving their miserable employment. Many people have started them because of apps like TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram, which only need a single click of the like button. Once you've mastered the skill of content production, all you need to launch your career in the next wave of digital migration is a camera and some dope material. Simply publishing material to the internet on your phone will allow you to make money. People can choose to become a blogger, vlogger, YouTuber, or even TikTok user and make money doing what they enjoy. Who would have imagined that these creative, luxurious jobs could be carried out as independent contractors? Well, everything is possible in the world of today. 2. Programming. We've heard the term programming before, so we're not unfamiliar with it. To translate a design into instructions the computer will follow within a website, programming includes employing specific codes in computer languages like JavaScript and C. You put in around 40 hours per week, Monday through Friday, and earn $38 per hour on average. Since networking and analytical work are closely related, you'll be able to take advantage of the free information you pick up while working. The computer language is a little challenging at first, but as you become comfortable with the various languages, the rest will be simple. The majority of professions will soon be digitally based. Therefore, having some programming expertise to round out your skill set would be really beneficial. 3. Account executive. There are many jobs one might pursue, but only a select handful can promise you at least $43 per hour. The position of account executive, which involves managing recently acquired accounts and attempting to increase clients for various firms, serves as a prime illustration. This is a challenging freelancing position in comparison to others. Can you picture having a job that lasts from 8:00 a.m. to 5:00 p.m.? If you don't like it, we advise you to look at other options. 4. Digital marketing. Digital marketing is in great demand right now, which ensures high revenues while also exposing you to a wide range of tasks that you may monetize once you master the abilities. The marketer is in charge of engaging directly with clients and introducing them to the services that various organizations provide. Utilize the various possibilities that come with the package if you want to learn more about this vocation. Those who don't mind keeping their position as digital marketing consultants might benefit from the high salary of around $100,000 per year. There are several articles online that teach some fundamental concepts in digital marketing. 5. Copywriter. Consider copywriting research sources if you're considering brushing up on your abilities. It is now one of the side businesses that pay the most quickly. You can make a lot of money by developing your copywriting talents, and it will also open up additional career prospects for you. This industry includes several subfields, just like any other, but direct response copywriters are seen to have the most earning potential. They earn more than everyone else, with the exception of the famed medical writers, who bring in more than $100,000 per month. The only thing needed to begin a career as a copywriter is a straightforward internet job. The work demands you to produce content on producing marketing materials in a way that causes the reader to respond in a particular way, in addition to reading some highly suggested books like The Ultimate Sales Letter. Copywriting was listed as one of the highest-paying freelance occupations in the most recent ranking. 6. Photographer. The majority of the freelance positions on our list don't require you to leave your house, but photography does. You'll need to scour the area for picturesque spots to draw clients. When selecting photographic locations, keep aesthetics in mind. The most sense aesthetics are what everyone today is most interested in. Various options are available to you based on your interests. You may choose to specialize in either portrait or wedding photography when it comes to choosing your area of photography. Tourism, wildlife, and culinary photography are a few more unusual yet very lucrative niches. Photography. You must not have predicted that, don't you? Choose whatever appeals to you and give it a try. The benefits of becoming a photographer include an hourly pay that may reach $20 on average. You get to see different places and engage with a wide range of individuals. If you're fortunate, you could even get the opportunity to communicate with people from other cultural backgrounds. Additionally, when you suggest to your parents that you take a job outside of school hours, they won't freak out. 7. Teaching. Education and learning are quickly moving into the digital sphere. Numerous educational institutions have adopted virtual learning, particularly after the pandemic started. This implies that you may get employment as a teacher anywhere in the globe without leaving your home. As long as it doesn't require a master's degree, you can easily teach the things you are knowledgeable about. The management of the college where you wish to teach will request your academic transcripts, recommendations, and testimonials if you want to become a professor there. You'll likely undergo a background check to ensure that you don't have any criminal convictions before being hired. Your duties will likely include accessing, grading, and developing a practical learning program. You could only put in 9 to 12 hours a week of labor, but that just includes teaching. Grading will take up an additional 10 hours each week, in addition to the hours you spend preparing for the classes. Thankfully, the majority of institutions provide excellent commissions of around $42 per hour. Furthermore, they facilitate your pursuit of further education by offering discounted prices on master or PhD programs for yourself. On the other side, as a senior employee, you get to choose which jobs you do and delegate the rest. 8. Graphic designer. The top-paying freelancing occupation that springs to mind are by far graphic design, but it's only available to artists who are skilled with various expensive design tools. An entry-level graphic designer may make up to $30 to $35 per hour, while an experienced professional might take home a very sizable paycheck every week. Some customers won't assign you to delicate tasks unless you have a degree. A strong portfolio will also be to your advantage. A typical work week for a graphic designer comprises Monday through Friday. That equates to around 37 hours of work every week. With this career path, clocking in some extra hours is fairly typical, but at the end of the day, you are still in charge and have the power to turn down any projects that call for more labor. If you're unsure about whether the graphic design is a long-term industry, I can promise you that it is. This is evident from the growing number of businesses that are converting to a more digital platform for everything from manufacturing to marketing to, more recently, consumer sales. 9. Virtual assistant. Hiring a virtual assistant is not surprising given the growing trend of small firms having remote offices. A virtual assistant can assist you in providing administrative support to your clients as needed. Your tasks will change based on the demands of various clients. They frequently include secretarial and financial duties, organizing meetings and appointments, and so on. However, those aren't the only responsibilities you'll have. You're free to do business anywhere you choose, including from home. There is no dress code that you are expected to follow because there isn't an actual workplace to report to. However, during video meetings, your clients will enjoy your neat and polished appearance. You must purchase your computer hardware and pay for Wi-Fi and internet access. A brief piece of advice: don't compromise on the kind of software you purchase or the internet speed. When you miss deadlines or postpone reports due to a sluggish internet connection, you'll regret it. Why else wouldn't you be happy when you return home each year with roughly $60,000? Okay, so I need you to help me out with something. Stop watching this video right now, and if you did, please do me a tremendous favor and click the like button. I appreciate your support so much and think you're wonderful. 10. Makeup artist. These days, it seems like everyone you know works as a makeup artist. I'll reveal the reason why so many people are choosing this career route in a moment. First off, you do not need to have gone to school. The ability to passionately and creatively realize someone else's ideas is your greatest advantage. Always stay aware of the most recent trends in cosmetics. A basic understanding of facial routines will also increase your clientele because it would prevent you from accidentally applying an oily foundation to someone who has oily skin. Your customers will provide you with some amazing feedback if you pay attention to detail like this. You have the authority to control your work schedule as a freelance makeup artist, including the days you accept assignments and the working hours that are most convenient for you. If you don't mind working from afar, this is a terrific chance to take clients who are located distant from where you are. You might earn up to $18 per hour doing this without leaving your day job. Consider the possibilities when you broaden your skill set. You can work as a makeup artist for weddings, regular occasions, or even movies. As you develop your talents, I can tell you that this challenge will never grow old. Make sure to develop your internet profile by adding attractive before and after makeup photos to your account. You may even launch a YouTube channel and generate additional money by instructing others on how to use cosmetics. The possibilities are endless with this kind of craftsmanship, I can guarantee you. 11. 3D modeler. Are you educated in and adept at 3D modeling? Then it's time to free yourself from the bonds that are holding you to a single organization. You should be working a 9-to-5 schedule, since the abilities you possess are in extremely high demand. While becoming your own boss is an option, you should strive to diversify your portfolio to reflect the many businesses you'd like to enter. Numerous industries exist, including those in gaming, medical, virtual reality marketing, TV and film, and even manufacturing. So don't feel constrained or constrained to spend the rest of your life working in a single industry. Dedicate yourself to establishing your brand while you seek new clients. Make a strong portfolio that details the work you've done and the partnerships in which you've been involved. If you're a beginner, don't be afraid to give free services as long as it meets your aim. You can receive free advertising from customers. Additionally, you provide free services, which help you build your portfolio. I should have mentioned that you can charge a flat rate of $19 per hour. That seems like a fantastic freelancing job to me. Furthermore, there is no issue if you are afraid to leave your 9-to-5 employment. Before it starts paying you, you may always start it as a side job. So I want to thank everyone for watching. I hope this video was entertaining and useful to you. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. In addition, subscribe if you're a new visitor. Have a great day, and I'll see you all again soon.